Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to Pandas. Today's topic is Descriptive Statistics. This is a fifth class of Pandas. A large number of methods collectively compute descriptive statistics and other related operations on data frame. Most of these are aggregations like sum, mean, std, but some of them like sum produce an object of the same size. Generally speaking, these methods take an axis argument just like NG-array, sum, std, but the axis can be specified by name or integer. Now, let us create a data frame and use this object throughout this chapter for all the operations. Now, okay, let's go back to our Jupyter notebook and we have a topic. We'll take an heading here. Is to right. For this example, what I'm going to do is, so I will be taking this data set for our example, right? So now think this, we have created this data frame and this is our data frame. Now throughout this example, we need to use this data frame. Now we start with sum, okay? What sum will do? It returns the sum of the values for the requested axis. But by default, axis is index axis is equal to 0. This will be by default, right? And we're using this code. For this, what we need to be changed is output. What we need is df dot sum. This is our sum. So what we have, sum of name. So it added all the names like Tom, James, Ricky, Steve, Smith, right? And sum of this and sum of this, right? Each individual column is added individually. Strings are appended. Let's try this with axis 1. Axis equal to 1. Mm, let's do it separately for this. This will be handy for you. Right, okay, the code and here print of df of dot sum of axis is 1. Execute this code and see it has calculated axis 1. What is our axis 1? This is our axis 1 edge. Right. Now next we'll move to next example is mean. What mean will do? it returns the average value. Right. Only thing what we have to change is df dot mean. So the mean of age is average age is 25 and the mean of rating is 3.65. Next we have STD. What STD will do? It returns the result standard deviation of the numerical columns. Right. I'll paste the code and what we have to do is df dot std. Let's see what we have. We have standard deviation is 2.7 for the age and rating is 0.69. Next, we have functions and so we have std functions and descriptives. On the screen you can see you have different types of functions which we have discussed about count, sum, mean, median, mode, std, minimum, maximum, maps, products, and compound. Since data frame is a heterogeneous data structure, generic operations don't work with all functions. Functions like sum, sum work with both numeric and character or string data elements without any error. Though in practice, character aggregations are never used. Generally, these functions do not throw any exception. Functions like ABS, here it is, ABS and compound through exceptions when the data frame contains character or string data because such operations cannot be performed. The describe function. The describe function a compute a summary of statistics pertaining to the data frame columns. Let's check out the describe function, how it's gonna work. Right, I'll paste the code. I'm using the same data set, okay? Dot describe, execute. See, we have age and rating. So in describe, what we have count, mean, STD, minimum 25%, 50%, 75%, and maximum. Right? This function gives the means, STD, and IQR values, and functions excludes the character columns and given summary about numeric columns. Include easy argument which is used to pass necessary information regarding what columns need to be considered for summarizing. Takes the least of values by default number. Now we will check the statement in this example how describe with include is gonna work. So I'll take the previous example code, I'll copy that and I'll paste it here. Here what we need in describe. So I need to include objects. Let's hit. So what we have here is the count unique. Count is 7, unique is 7, top is 7, Frequency is 1. Let's see. Count is 7 and unique is 7. What do you mean by unique? So we have a unique names there, right? And top is 7. The last value is 7 is top 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And frequency is 7. 1 by 1 frequency is 7. Now we'll check include all. I'll copy that. And here we have is include instead of object, I'll say all. Let's execute this code. We have an error, so we have to remove this brackets. Now includes all. It has included everything, right? This is includes all. Hope this session help you out to understand the complete scenarios of descriptive statistics with functions and descriptions. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact me for any further clarifications. I suggest you guys to practice more and try to spend some time on this so you get more practice and you'll be more confident on that. In that way, you can remember the things. Alright, guys, I'll join you in next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.